Welcome to Girl Director TV. In this video, I'm going to answer the question that everyone is asking. What is the Facebook pixel? Well, it's not that tiny dot there on your screen. No, that's a different kind of pixel. But what I'm going to tell you about is something just as powerful in its own right. So if you're here, it's probably because you're starting to look into Facebook advertising and there's all these words that you don't understand. That's okay. There's a lot to learn with online marketing, so keep watching to find out just how important the Facebook pixel is if you want to get the most out of your Facebook ads. So what is the Facebook pixel? Well, it's often referred to as Facebook's version of a cookie. Not this kind of cookie, although this one is really yummy. Cookie! So the Facebook pixel is Facebook's way of tracking which sites you go to off Facebook. It's how they build a profile of different people's interests and behaviors so you can advertise to the right people. This is why Facebook is so clever at making sure you see things that you're interested in. For instance, if you're looking at your favorite car website, say Maserati, then Facebook advertisers can track that and target people with an interest in Maseratis, and you'll be one of them. It goes across all interests and behaviors, and having access to this intelligence comes down to how well you, the advertiser, knows how to use Facebook's ad manager platform. And that's where we come in. We teach all of our clients in detail how exactly to use the pixel to the greatest benefit. It's not a 5-minute thing to get your head around, but once you know how to use it, it's super powerful. So why is the pixel so good? The reason it's so good is that it allows your ads to be shown to the people who are most likely to be interested in them, saving you a lot of wasted advertising space on people who aren't your target market. And how does it work? Well, think of it this way. When you create an advert in the Facebook Ad Manager, you can set it up so that whenever someone comes to your website or opts in or buys your product, that information is passed back to Facebook through the pixel. That person's behavior and interest in your product is then added to their profile of interests and behaviors behind the scenes. Your advert is then configured to use that information to find more people who are most likely to want to buy from you. You see, what it's doing is building a profile of your ideal client. So when the next person opts in or buys your product, the ad manager has even more of an idea of who to show your advert to. That's why Facebook is so clever. It's far more efficient and cost effective than the scattergun approach of just sending the ad to everyone in your demographics the way standard traffic ads do. So if you want to start taking full advantage of how to use Facebook's rich advertising platform, then you should talk to us. We teach this right down to the details, including the strategies and how to build your ads. It's all a part of our Girl Director Academy training programs, and I would love to help you. So if you want to become the queen of your marketing destiny, then just connect with us here. Now, don't forget to sign up for a strategy session if you want to start learning how to grow your business with video and marketing, because that's what we're experts in. See you next time.